In this video, I want to be showing you how you can check your MTN post points balance, and it is fantastically very simple and easy. Just come to your phone dialer here and that is code here *406# and dial on your MTN line, and you get this pop-up here. So you can see here option 7 that says post point. Come here and enter 7 and send. I will enter 7 here and send. And you can see here on this pop-up here, you can see option 4 post points balance. You can see it right. Come here and enter 4 here and send. I enter 4 here, I will send, and you get this display here. You can see for me, you can see that you do not have post points available right now, because right now I have actually exhausted all my post point balance. But for you, you see here displaying here showing your post point balance and where it will expire. So the best way or the simplest way to check your post point balance, guys, is to come here again and that is code here *406*7*4# and dial on your line, and you will see it will just display at once showing your post point balance and your post point expiration date. So guys, it is that simple. Bye.